Hello, welcome again. All right, today I want you to meet Mr. John. So, this is Mr. John. You see, Mr. John, he wants to be a professional swimmer. Hmm? Mr. John, he has bought all ebooks he can actually find on how to be a professional swimmer. Ebooks on the different styles of swimming. Ebooks that has to do with swimming, psychology, anything that has to do with being a professional swimmer. Mr. John bought the ebook. Then he went over also further rather and bought e-courses. He's bought virtual courses on how to be a professional swimmer. All right, he's invested in webinars, in seminars. The only thing he hasn't done so far is actually stepping a foot in the water. And this is how many of us are. Many people out there, they want to sell, right? But they believe they need to wear this armor. They need to get the shield. They need to get the sword. They need to be prepared to sell. So they buy every whatsoever that they can get on selling. From email marketing, SMS selling, to social media, to offline, to mass selling. Anything that has sales at the back of it and marketing, they keep on buying, because they believe that they need this knowledge before they can start selling. So today's episode, I'm going to focus on how you can overcome this, what do I want to call it now? This push, this feeling that makes you think that you need to know everything regarding sales before you begin selling. I'm going to give you 3 points to actually help you to get over this. All right? Welcome back. My name is Olayemi Akonde from Eaglebloom, and this channel is all about giving you sales tips that will help you in selling more of your products and services. So let's continue what we're going to talk about today. Number one thing you need to realize is this: you need to demystify yourself and your thoughts, your mind and soul, from thinking that you can know everything regarding how to sell before you begin to sell. Before I was, there were sales strategies. Now that we are here, there are sales strategies. When we are gone, there will be straight strategies. The point is, you can't know everything about selling. You can't know all the strategies about selling before you start selling. Get that into your mind, because once you have that in mind, you are not going to stress yourself or beat yourself so hard that you need to know this, you need to know this strategy, you need to know this, you need to know all the strategies before you begin to sell. That is one. Number two, you need to know that even when you know the strategy, you're not going to execute them yourself. Do you understand? So let me explain. The more you grow in business, now if you're starting, for instance, you're the only one there. You're in the business, you're doing everything. You're the PA, you're the MD, you're the social media manager, you're head of marketing, head of security, gateman, you're everything. When the business expands, you're going to get a team. You're going to bring people in, people that will help you here and there. People whose job will be specific. Oh, this is the person in charge of email marketing. This is the person in charge of social media marketing. You're going to get experts, people that can focus on each area of selling and marketing. So why are you bogging yourself down now with knowing everything without even starting? Number 3 is this: that start with the little you know. Choose a platform. If you want to sell from your website, if you want to sell from Instagram, you want to sell from Facebook, you want to sell via WhatsApp, choose a platform and learn how to sell there. Start. When you start, you get to know more about it while you keep on selling. No more sell. No more sell. Get more information. Use that information to sell. Buy ebooks, buy more courses on selling, and use the information that you got from there to also improve your sales. As you continue scaling, as you continue selling, you continue to learn. Let it go hand in hand. Number 4 thing you need to put in mind is not all sales strategies will be useful to you. It's like you want to take all the drugs in this world, that's in the medicine. You can't use them all all the sales strategies cannot be useful to you. And even if you're going to use them, you're going to use them at different stages of your business. So there is no need for you to accumulate them like, I have to get all of them right now before I begin. You need to begin with what you know. You need to begin on the platform that you're used to, or the platform that you're confident with or confident on, and begin to sell your product. And as you're selling, you get more information. Don't get addicted to buying all the courses that you see out there regarding sales. Buy all the webinars. Register all the webinars. You need all the information before you start. You need to get into every course that you can find on sales before you even begin to sell. Don't be like Mr. John that wants to swim but never stepped a foot in the waters, and he's bought everything regarding how to swim. Don't be him, okay? When it comes to sales is practical. Don't forget this. Sale is a practical act. It doesn't matter how much you learn. You need to put it into practice. That is when you can actually beat your chest and say that I know what I am doing. No matter what you learn, if you don't put it into practice, can you actually say that you know it? I don't think so. And this also goes for sales. So when you get the knowledge, put it into use. Make it work for you. Then you have that. Get another knowledge, put it into use. Make it work for you. Now you have more strategies that you can use to sell your goods and services. Don't try and accumulate all knowledge regarding sales or selling without actually going into the act of selling in itself. Okay, so I hope with these few points it's going to help you in not turning into an e-course or e-product sales junkie. All right, before you go off, remember to click the subscribe button if you have not subscribed to this channel. All right, subscribe to this channel. Share this information with your friends, even if just 2 friends that will benefit from this. Okay, and comment if you have any comments. If you have any question, put it down below in the comment section. I'm going to respond to them, and give a thumbs up. Like this video if it actually impacted you in one way. And don't forget that the hybrid dropshipping business course is still on. So click the link below if you're interested in selling without having to stock up items, without having to have a store, and all you need is just your phone. Okay, and that business is actually making me 6-figure on a monthly basis. I've done it, or I've been doing it for the past 3 years plus, and it's been fantastic. I do other things, and it's just by the side on its own. It doesn't stress you out. So if you're interested, just click the link below to access the course. All right, this we have another video coming up next week, so don't miss it. Remember to subscribe to this channel so that you get the alert once I upload a new video. Thank you so very much for watching. Cheers to your success. Goodbye.